Tired of distractions? Get ready to experience pure audio bliss with the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, where the world fades away. These aren't just good at noise canceling. They offer industry-leading active noise cancellation, truly transforming your commute, office, or flight into a personal sanctuary. Imagine focusing completely on your music or podcast without ambient noise leaking in. It's an unparalleled listening experience. And you can enjoy that sanctuary for hours on end thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life, perfect for long-haul flights or multiple days of use without a charge. Switching between devices is seamless too, with multi-point connection, letting you easily jump from your laptop to your phone without skipping a beat. What makes the WH-1000XM5 truly special is how effortlessly it blends these cutting-edge features with premium sound quality and supreme comfort for all-day wear. If you're looking to upgrade your listening experience or searching for the best wireless headphones for 2025, these are definitely worth it. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the latest deals and purchase your pair via the Amazon link in the description below. From busy city streets to quiet study sessions, the Sony WH-1000XM5 offers unmatched performance and convenience, making every sound truly yours. For anyone serious about superior sound and absolute tranquility, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is an absolute must-buy.